What is going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be going over how you can create an Amazon website to actually make affiliate commissions. Really easy, really stress-free, and also you don't need a big investment. Make sure you stay tuned because I've got a ton of value coming in this video. What is going on, guys? So welcome back. Now today I'm going to be really focusing on building an affiliate website. And I really believe that the best way of promoting any type of Amazon products is always going to be through an affiliate website, unless you're doing it through obviously, YouTube or Instagram or something like that, and you've really got a high traffic social following. Now, the reason is when you're promoting any type of Amazon product, you need to focus on a high amount of traffic. Reason being because the actual payout is only ranging between 2 to 6% of a sale. So for example, if you make a sale of, for example, $100, you're only going to make $2 out of that, which is not that great, so $6 out of $100 product. So because of that, I would really focus on getting high traffic to a certain brand of where you're then obviously going to target people and make sales. Now, with everything that you might hear online, which is always the same thing that's pushed out and pushed out, all the money is made in the back end of your business. So that's all through email marketing, because once you've gathered a customer and you've got that point of contact with them, you can continually market to them for next to nothing, if not free, so it's really helpful to always capture emails, especially when someone has a specific interest and you've obviously got products to match their need. Now, what I'm going to be taking you through today is actually a website or a site that I use to go and buy sites or sell sites or anything like that. Now, I think it's the best place for you to get started as a newbie. You don't have to have any technical skills, any website previous whatever experience. You don't need anything like that. You can actually go on this site and buy a site and then just get started by starting to drive traffic and just maybe make a few tweaks here and there. So you might need to learn a little something, but it's not financially stressing or anything like that. Anyway, guys, I'm talking a bit too much. So let's get straight onto my computer. I'm going to share the screen with you and we'll continue the video from there. Okay, guys, so the website we're going to head over to is just flippa.com. So many of you may know what it is already, but it's a great place to buy any type of website or anything along those lines. If you're looking to buy a site, it's great. You can see obviously how many sales they disclose that they've generated over the past month, I'd say. And then this is obviously the past week. You can see open listings of how many products are there for sale at the moment, and then how many bids have been made on the site. Not that that is relevant to this video. So what I would do is come over to here and I would make a quick search of just looking for anything to do with Amazon. Now, when you come down here, it actually allows you to select what type of monetization is suggested by the seller. So I'm going to select that. And then what I'm going to do is set a budget very cheap to like $100. And then we're going to have a look at what we're going to look for. Where is the auction bit? Okay, classified. That's it. So we're going to come down here and just click search. Then we're going to sort by the highest. Okay, so that gives us a few little sites to mess around with. So if we look at the first one here, what I'd mainly be focusing on Amazon is a techie type website. Reason being because you need to look at what type of people, are mostly on Amazon. What's the big demographic on there? I mean, obviously they sell clothing and all different things like, essentials like backpacks and all of that type of thing. But the main source of traffic or revenue from Amazon, if you just is tech gadget stuff. So things like phones, accessories, computers, all that type of thing. So if we look at this site, this is ideally something I'd be looking at. You can come over here and you can see a brief of the site, just a brief image of the actual front page of the site. And then we can see what type of site it's listed as, and also what it was built with, which is WordPress. I'm very familiar with that. And if you didn't know how to manage a WordPress site, it's very simple. I've actually got one open here. It's quite a simple thing, how you add pages and whatnot. I'm building a site at the moment. Yeah, if you didn't know, just go and YouTube it, you'll find tons of videos. So we can see a bit of information about the seller here. They don't have any actual history. That's not a problem to me, because if the site was great, I would definitely make the investment. They have to legally display what revenue the site has generated up here. So you can see obviously it's actually costing $1 per month, which is probably just for the domain or hosting or along those lines, but there's no profit. So when we come down here, you're going to want to check the seller's notes. We can see obviously what type of website it is. They can say, they're saying, sorry, plus blog and maintenance free, no reserve price, highly monetized is computer shop website, sell your own products, dropship your own affiliate products, best for newbies, no website maintenance required. Okay. And then we can see a bit more information down here. We can see obviously a wide range of products, etc., etc. And you would read through this in depth, obviously, before you make any purchases. But for a reasonable price of $40, I mean, you're not risking a lot of money. Okay, so if you come down here, you can see obviously how does the business generate revenue. It's selling your own products, blah, blah, blah. They're just saying the same thing with affiliate marketing. Usually down here, you can see some data from the site. But obviously, because these people haven't made any real revenue, you can't really see any statistics. It's just quite basic and monotone, a bit like my voice. No, but so what we're going to do is actually click onto this website just to take a brief look. So we're going to open that in a new tab, and we'll just take a look at the site and see what it's all about. Okay, so this is pretty good to me. For $40, it looks pretty clean, it's nice, it's attractive. It's probably something that I wouldn't hesitate on purchasing from. You can see here obviously they've got this little mobile, banner image down here. They've actually got like an email capture here, so you can sign up to the newsletter, blah, blah, blah. Instagram, let's just see if they've actually got an Insta. We'll check that and see if they got one. Okay, so they haven't got an Insta, it's just like a link to go there. But yeah, if we was to look up here, we can see obviously all these different products and different essentials that they've got on here. So if we click over here, you can see video games. They haven't listed anything in this category here, but we can click on computer, see what's there. Nothing there. Okay, so it seems like they've set up just the main page. I mean, by learning basic essentials on WordPress, you'd find it so easy to just list some new products here. So you can see obviously there's a quick view. Let's just have a look at that and see how that comes out. Pretty good. So it gives you a brief overview, and what you need to remember is the majority of people who you're going to be driving to this site are already obviously people who are looking to make a purchase on these type of products, so they're already interested the majority of the time. You don't just get someone, unless they got quite a bit of money behind them, just stumbling on and think, oh, I'll buy a new £400 laptop today. It's more someone who's searching it. So what you want to focus on is really driving some organic traffic from Google. So search engine optimization is highly recommended here. And also, what you could do to build up the sort of traffic on your site is use free traffic methods like Instagram, Twitter, and all those different free platforms. If you're comfortable with making YouTube videos, you could do that and do like a tech review channel. But what you could also do is go into different blogs and sites on Google that are related to this industry, and then leave comments that are helpful to people and obviously link back to your site. So if you're ranking for if that site, then ranks like a blog or something, and you've left a comment on there, a ton of people will then see it in future and come check out your site. So you can see here, obviously this is a pretty basic site. If we add to cart, we'll see what happens. So you can add it to cart, which is brilliant. It's actually got like a whole cart service. And also obviously you can see here, it's highlighting what country this is for. Everything's in dollars. So obviously that, corresponds with the actual American flag, and then coupon codes, which is brilliant. So if the person has a coupon, you might have a specific affiliate coupon code that you could add in here or advertise with, that could be a selling point to that type of customer or clientele. And what you can do is give them that coupon code, allow them to put it in here so they get like a potential discount on the product that you're selling them. And then let's just have a look when we click proceed to checkout, see what happens. It should forward us on to Amazon. So look, it's telling them here clearly you're going to be redirected to Amazon, and that's absolutely brilliant. They've already integrated it with the Amazon platform, so it's automatically added to their cart. It doesn't just forward them onto the product on Amazon, which some of these sites can do. So obviously if we click here, we can see that's the product. If they did want to check it out properly on the Amazon platform, they can do that. But here now, obviously they're in a real safe place. They know that they're on Amazon.com. If they had any other products in their cart, they would be able to see that, so they know they're on their official Amazon account. and then they can proceed to checkout and you make the commission. Now guys, if I was doing this, let me just get back on the actual camera. So guys, yeah, if you was doing this, you really need to focus on gathering high amounts of traffic. If you want to do that, you could leverage platforms like Instagram and also YouTube. If you wanted to stay behind the scenes type of person, then you could make a niche based Instagram account and really focus on getting some posts going viral. Then once you generate some commissions, because what you would do is obviously, you know, use the hyperlink inside of the Instagram bio. Once you start making some commissions by driving people to your site, really focus on email marketing. So capturing people's emails and retargeting them, through emails, because that way you can keep promoting those products, not only actually on the website, but you can also do that through emails. And also what you can do then is set up a Facebook ad of where you're running an Instagram engagement advert on Facebook. So that's a retargeting ad built on a custom audience, and you can do that by just going into your Facebook Ads Manager platform and then setting up Instagram on that actual Facebook, so integrating your Instagram and Facebook, and in that way you can run Instagram engagement ads to all the people who have actually shown an interest on your account in that laptop industry, retarget them and send them off to your site of where you'll potentially make commissions. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Very fast, very quick and straight to the point, as I'm trying to keep all of them from now on because I can tend to ramble on, full of too much information. Some people like it, some don't. But anyway, like always guys, if you did enjoy the video, please do leave a like on this video. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe, please. We need some subscribers. I'm only at 551. And take care until the next video guys. Peace.